So happy Monday and welcome to another week vlog. Yay. Hi. So today, what do I have to do today? Yeah, that rain if you're hearing it. I had to iron uniforms, right? Because only iron one set of uniform for them to go to school today. So I have to iron the rest of the uniforms for the rest of the week. Iron the uniforms, can't go to done wash. Gonna wash up the wares, then the stove, wash my hair, hopefully, and get some sleep. So let me see if I can do everything within 5 hours or less. Let me see what time it is. It's 10. Half 10. So that's less than 5 hours, okay? Because I need to leave home about 2:15, 3 latest to go and pick up the boys. So wish my luck. The stove is clean. Okay, so the stove clean. I wash up some of the wares. The time is now 11:18. So I'm going to take my series watching ass to the back. I'm watching Ginny and Georgia. If you all have not watched that on Netflix, you need to watch it. You're missing out. You is missing out. Alright, so I'm gonna try and see. Now I should wash my hair first. I can wash my hair later. I don't know about washing my hair. We can see about the washing hair. Because another say you must not iron and then go in the water because you're wearing so much heat to then go in the cold. So we'll see about the washing hair part. So I'm going to see about the clothes. Call that judge to later on wash my hair. Okay, so in my car organizing to go and pick up the boys. I did not get to shampoo my hair, as you can clearly see. And yeah, I didn't get to shampoo my hair and bead. But anyways, I could have done it and come back up. Because not like I didn't bathe today, I bathed this morning. I just wanted to shampoo my hair now. Because when I bathed this morning, I was in work, so I couldn't shampoo my hair in work. Because I don't have all the accoutrements that I like to use in my hair when I shampoo my hair at work. So there is that. Maybe I should carry some. Anyways, it's about 2:15, so I'll leave him to go and pick up the boys from school. And I'll be back. Hi, it's Tuesday. Anyways, what happened so far for the day, right? Get up, make some breakfast for the boy, drop them to school. Forget to get them to spending money. Anyways, I need to make Uniba because it does work. It's helped with the odor. It does help, right? So I'm going to make some Uniba. I might make the mamba. You know, no, I'm not going to make any mamba. I need to make some conditioner for my hair because I washed it yesterday. Yes, I ended up washing after I picked up the boys from school, and I did nothing with it. So this is just it being itself. So anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna make some conditioner for my hair, and I'm going to make the Uniba. That's what I'm doing today. Okay, I'm away to pick up the boys. Did my nails and I'm feeling nice, feeling better. Oh. Alright, sorry, time on my head because I had to go to work tomorrow. But anyways, so on this good Tuesday evening, right? I done pick up the boys, whatever. When I done pick up the boys, I reach in to go and pick up the boys, right? I coming off Tumpuna Road. Don't start to enter in the I can't remember my damn street, but it's the street with the grocery to go and pick up the boys, right? Going to enter in that street. Tell me why the someone, for whatever reason, had on blinders, didn't see me, drive and hit me. Hit my on the back right side. So you know she wrong, right? Because she exiting to go on the major roadway, you're supposed to wait, right? You're supposed to wait, you didn't wait. You come out, you claim say you didn't see me and hit me. Hit me in the back. We're not in the like back, but like by the back tire on the right side. But anyways, she hit is like the door scrape all the way back to the bumper, somebody so. Anyways, she's an elderly woman, so I tell her, alright, I said I would go to the police station to make a report because You don't owe already. If you go to the police station to make a report to go through your insurance, you don't owe a female. You don't owe it wrong. You know your insurance claim wrong, but so that's alright. I know the truth. Your insurance. So okay, so Wednesday morning I'm going to work. Right? Hi. So it's Wednesday night, and I realized I didn't tell you anything about why I do the Grow with Joe thing. Is because I'm trying to exercise, trying to get fit, trying to be able to carry the weight that I have. Okay, because your girl not light. Alright. I'll go on the scale and see how much I weigh and put the amount I weigh somewhere in the screen. But anyways, so basically I'm not really on the whole weight loss journey to say I want to lose 80 pounds or 90 pounds or whatever, how much ever pounds. I just want to be comfortable in the skin iron, right? That is no mean good. Just to be comfortable in the skin iron. Now, when I mean comfortable, I mean like when I put on a few extra little pounds, my ankle just start to hurt, okay? And right now it hurting. So that means something need to happen. I need to lose some few pounds, maybe 5 pounds, maybe 10 pounds. Not much. Just need to lose something so the ankle can stop hurting, right? And apart from that, I need to strengthen it. I need to strengthen my bones. I need to strengthen it because I can't be 30 something years old, right? And having these ailments. What got when I reach 60? Anyways, I don't think I'll do any exercise tonight because I'm tired. I come from work. I'm just gonna relax. Hi, so I have a little rant and I'm gonna try to keep it short. Right, I'm trying to keep it short. Remember on Tuesday when I said I got in a road traffic accident? I'll put the pictures here. Yes, so let's call the lady who bounced me Miss Blob, right? Miss Blob and I had an agreement that we wouldn't go to the police station because, I'm being quite honest with you, I was feeling sorry for her, so I didn't want her to go through her insurance because the insurance claim would go up. I was too mind about it. I already wasn't going to go through insurance or police station and make a report, whatever. I just sweep it under the rug and call that judge. But anyways, that happened Tuesday. Today's Thursday. Thursday coming home from dropping the boys to school this morning, the police station is to call me, and the police station is to call me to ask me first if I have a road traffic accident. So I was like, yes. So they were saying that she tried to call me, and I think I see a missed call on my phone, but whatever. I called her back. I called Miss Blob. I called her Miss Blob because I don't want to call the real name. I called her Miss Blob. Miss Blob indicated that she wants to go through insurance. I wasn't going to charge it, but they say I want to go through insurance, and then they gave me attitude on top of it. You gave me attitude. Me and do you nothing, but you gave me attitude. But anyways, I am just mostly upset because first of all, we had a discussion, we had an agreement which would have been in your favor, especially seeing that you was the person in the wrong, right? 2, what is upsetting me is that going to go through insurance is going to now affect my time, because now I have to go back straight now to get an estimate, get it documented. Now I have to go by the police station because we agreed not to go by the police station. Now I have to go by the police station to make a report, to get a receipt from the police station, to now carry these 2 documents to my insurance company, right? And now my insurance company is going to have to send that to your insurance company, and then your insurance company is going to have to come back with my insurance company, who's going to then make a check out to me to fix the car. And then to fix the car is going to take time. Alright? It's going to take time. So far, when my straight now, he indicate that it's going to take 1 day. He tell me how much it will be. He will get back to me with the, quotation, whatever you call it. So I get the quotation from him. Now I'll go to the police station now and study it now because I didn't take a picture of ADP. I study it now if the police go and take the report with my word of mouth, no proof of your ID, the only thing I have is a picture of your insurance and a picture of your vehicle. So I'll have to go to the police station with that and go with that same picture of the insurance, because I had to get your insurance to go through my insurance. So that is headache and time on my part. I didn't want to go through all that. I'll be honest with you, I hate going through them things. It is quite annoying. But you know what? From now on, moving forward, anybody hit me, if you're wrong, you're not wrong, I don't care. We will go through the police station and make the report. So I will not be caught off guard like this again. And I'm quite sure when I go in the police station, they're going to ask me why it takes so long to make the report. But anyways, I went to the police station. They said they don't have any documentation of anyone making a report. And if you wish to follow through with the report, both parties need to be present. So there's my question, right? So if somebody already bunks me, right? But if it was somebody who not willing to, like a hit and run, how are you going to get that person to be present to make a report? It's not possible then. So why? Trying to call Miss Blob at the police station. Miss Blob refuses to answer her phone. So I am beginning to feel like Miss Blob is taking me for a puppy show. So next time around, I will be going to the police station directly. Anyways, again, I feel frustrated, you know. I'm going to organize myself to go for the boys. I'm going to shampoo my hair again because I don't know about anybody else, but for me, like, to cool myself down, I just need to wet my head sometimes, right? So seeing that I could wet my head, I will be wetting my hair. So I'm going in the shower and I'm going to let some water flow. Like, you know, I just need the water to hit my scalp. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just need the water to hit my scalp, right? To hit my scalp and calm me down, right? Okay, done, bathe, wet my hair, so I'm going to put some moisturizer in my hair and whatnot, try and get it to look like people. Yeah. Hi, so it's Friday. Last night, Miss Blob, if you're following the story, Miss Blob messaged and said that she no longer wants to go through insurance. She had a conversation with her daughter who probably say, hey, Mumsy, let the sense prevail. If you go through insurance, you go and get shafted. Anyways, she finally indicated that she does not want to go through insurance. She will just pay the cash. Anyways, so she messaged, said today, if not today, tomorrow, because apparently she will take a whole 24 hours in the bank today. But anyways, at the end of the day, my vehicle is working. If she does not pay, she does not pay. That's okay. I would appreciate if she does, but if she does not, I'm moving on. I'm personal. Anyways, so today I am going to make some of my butter love mixture. I might finally do a tutorial on that because no longer see I do a tutorial. It's been a while. Anyways, might finally do a tutorial on that. Who knows? We shall see according to how I feel then, right? So now Miss Blob gonna message me, oh, I make a cashier's check. I don't want no check. Because when you take a check, you have to go to the bank again and you put them out on my way now. I done do everything online because I hate going in the bank. Now you trying to give me a check for me to go in the bank. Hell fucking no. So I sent a voice note. I said, if you wish, we can meet at the police station and exchange the cash. I am not taking no check. You're inconveniencing me. Okay, so I will admit I lost my temper a little bit with Miss Blob. Just a little bit to get her to see my point of view of the inconvenience. Anyways, she finally said, well, okay, I'll give you the cash and we'll meet at the police station. And that was that. I just came back from the police station. She gave me the cash. Everything was good. Thank you, Jesus. So it's Friday evening. What I'm doing is making the Miss Mao butter loaf. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, follow me at Miss Mao on YouTube. I put up a tutorial if you're interested in seeing it. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna continue making that and just chill for the rest of my Friday and do nothing. Okay, so one of the benefits of working from home is that while the butter is in the freezer, I guess, and hard for me to whip it up, I can multitask. So I'm going to fold up some clothes. Well, hello, good night. And it's still Friday. It's Friday night. I'm going to end the vlog here. I will see you next week. And I don't really want to vlog weekends because I kind of want to relax on a weekend. Okay, I want to relax, chill, relax with Trey and whatever. If anything interesting happen, I'll let you know on Monday. The only thing excited going to happen tomorrow is the boys have swimming tomorrow, but there's no cameras allowed in swimming, which I fully endorse because it have crazy people out here. And you know, we don't want the crazy people having footage of our kids in bathing suits, okay? Anyways, if anything interesting happen on a weekend and I could vlog it, I will vlog it. Other than that, my weekends will just be mad chill, so nothing really interesting to record on a weekend. So I will be seeing you back next week Friday or next week Saturday. I don't know. I bring it up tonight, so Saturday morning people will see the vlog. So please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.